Alright, let's take a look at what we're doing today. Oh, Monte Amiata Natural Sienna. Woo! Woo! Excitement! Oh yeah! So you can use it for a lot of different things. You can use it for hair or wood, skin. It's very similar to yellow ochre. It's not quite as bright, not quite as yellow. And when you layer it, you can get some nice variation. The granulation, especially in thicker amounts, very nice looking. Of course, when you are layering or glazing, you're going to want to let it fully dry in between each layer. And depending upon your paper, you can't get too many layers, otherwise it's just going to all fall apart and look like shit. So yeah, don't do that. It looks like crap. So here's a really watered down version as a base layer for skin. Again, it's really light, really watered down because white people. They let it dry. Yep, that's enough time. And then we put on some layers here. The first one was vermilion in a nice pinky skin. The second one was transparent red iron oxide. It had more of a tan. Let it dry, and that's what it looks like. Pretty cool. So just as a quick comparison, here's the natural sienna, the raw sienna, and then next to it I'll be putting some yellow ochre. It's a lot less yellow. I mean, it's still yellow, but not quite as intense. You could pretty much just replace yellow ochre in a few different scenarios, including mixing Payne's Gray. So here we have the raw sienna, Prussian blue, and quinacridone rose, which is replacing the carmine that was in the original recipe. So starting out, get a nice, really intense amount of Prussian blue. Add a little bit of the rose to get a nice purple. Then slowly mix in the raw sienna. Take a little bit. Just put it next to your purple mix and then just slowly incorporate it. That'll help prevent it from getting, from overshooting it. So here it's not quite enough, so we add a little bit more. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it some more, mix it. Yep, you mix it. Keep mixing it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, let's try that. Look at that. So once you have your neutral, if you prefer the bluer version of Payne's Gray, just add a little bit of Prussian blue to that neutral mix. That might have been a little bit too much Prussian blue, but some people like it that blue, especially for skies. So here's some other mixes you can do. Here's some of that raw sienna with cerulean blue chromium. You get kind of a dull green with that highly granulates. And here's mixing it with Green Apatite Genuine. A bit of a brighter green as a contrast. Next we'll mix it, we'll just straight mix it with some vermilion. Get some nice earthy oranges. Good for leaves. And some more raw sienna with Perylene Maroon. Get an even duller orange, like an orange brown. Yep, so there you have it. There's Monte Amiata Natural Sienna. Highly recommend it. Bye.